32, you can go green. Correction, 32, stay on the run.
hours.
As well, we did have one child just in CPR, know about the other injuries.
Engine 13 is at Airport Way South and South Alaska Street. We've got one car on fire in the middle of the street. We're going to be laying a pre-connect on that. Engine 13 will be Airport Command.
Engine 13 at location, one vehicle on fire, laying a pre-connect. Third, Airport Command.
Engine 27 is at, we have the performing infant CPR taken over here. 13, you can take over the line.
Airport Command, you have the infant, and is it ongoing CPR? Airport Command, Engine 13 is laying a line to the black car that is on fire. There's nobody inside. Engine 27 from Airport Command, where's your location exactly?
Engine 27 is right ahead of the van in the middle of the road at the intersection. We have the infant. It is rousable, but it is not opening its eyes yet. It is moving.
Okay, Airport Command confirmed that we do have an infant who is breathing. Airport Command, it looks like we've got a total of possibly 4 cars. Airport Command, we got one south fire.
And south fire.
Battalion location.
Yeah. Okay, Battalion 5. In Battalion 5, be advised we do have 2 medic units in route to your location, along with medic 44.
Airport Command received at medic 44 responding in. Letter 1 from Airport Command. I'm going to have you just head down to airport and meet up with Engine 27 on your arrival. Give us a report of what you need down there. It looks like we've got 2 to 3 cars that are involved. We're still not able to get a patient count.
Airport Command from dispatch. Be advised, SPD has a second patient. SPD has a second patient.
Dispatch Battalion 5 will assume command.
Okay, Battalion 5 is Airport Command. Did you receive SPD has 1 patient?
Negative. What's the location of that patient?
Engine 27 has reported that patient being north of the Ladder 1's rig.
13, I got medic 32 coming your way right behind ladder 1 for the infant.
South Alaska Street and Airport Way South. Rescue response extrication on Channel 2. PIO. South Alaska Street and Airport Way South. Engine 22, move up to Station 27.
Command. Request one additional BLS unit.
Okay, Airport Command, one additional BLS.
Command from A10, the patient in the black car is BLS. Command, okay, BLS. A10 Battalion 2, do you have that patient? Yes, we're with the patient right now. Okay. A10 from command, that'll be patient number 4. Patient number 4, okay.
Command from dispatch, be advised, your additional BLS company is A5. You want them to make approach from a certain way?
Dispatch, we have, right now we have 3 BLS patients, yellow and 1 red. We can code green that last big unit.
Okay, Command, A5, you can code green. A5, code green.
A5 code green. Dispatch have medic 1, trauma doc, use medcom for medic 32.
Okay, medic 32, trauma doc to medcom.